Guys, so this is going to be my YouTube tutorial. It's going to be very easy and simple. But first and foremost, let me say I'm back for good. I'm not leaving no more. I know I've been making YouTube tutorials in the past, maybe like 2 years ago, and I have stopped, but I'm going to be back on YouTube and vlogging and having daily girl chats and all that other stuff. And let me go straight to the video. The first thing I like to do before I draw my eyebrows on is use my eyebrow stencil, and what this does is just place my eyebrow hairs in the right place, and I could just get that perfect arch that I've been trying to get. Then the first thing you want to do is just start outlining your eyebrow, and I just do kind of dark hard strokes on the end of my eyebrow, and then at the top of my eyebrow I always start a little further back than I did on the bottom brow. And my reasoning for this is just so it could look a little natural when I use my stencil at the beginning of my brow, just to blend it in a little bit better. Now I'm using my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color tan, and I'm just doing some little makeup smudges, whatever you want to call them, around my eyebrows, and it just helps it blend more better when you spread it all out. And I'm using my smudger brush. I got it from Elf. It's only $1. And now you just want to get your concealer as close to the eyebrow as you can, but as well reshaping them, because when you draw them on, they're not perfect.
And it happened so fast. Damn, I'm glad I strapped up. Ask her when she finished, if she came, she said I lapped ya twice. Run it back for the door, rematch. Flip the crib when we fought, rematch. It get hot then no more, glass cup. You can ask her if I fuck, she get I gotta keep it a secret, I keep a key in my lower pocket.
Now what you want to do is just try to blend as much as you can with your smudger brush. And as you see, I'm just really just shaping where I need to be reshaping at, and I'm just really just perfecting the imperfections. Now coming back with my eyebrow stencil, and I'm really just trying to blend in the beginning so it could look as natural as possible. Now I'm coming in with my concealer brush, and I'm just really trying to blend all that concealer in so it won't look really cakey or dramatic. I like a natural look with my concealer, so that's what I'm just doing here. Okay, so now we got all the concealer blended. It looks really nice, and you see that I'm just showing you the difference between the two brows. And here's the finished product. Give me a heart and I hold it. Show me a soul and I mold it. Baby boy, you gotta be the dopest. Gotta be the fuck with the coldest. Boy, I know all I do. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.